Alright, welcome to my computer now. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I generated 77 leads inside of Builderall. If you don't know what Builderall is a digital marketing tool that you can use to build websites, do autoresponder, email marketing, and mockup studio, e-learning. You can host your courses, professional emails, build funnels, and so many things that you can actually do with this tool. Alright, you can build chatbots and so many things. Let me quickly show you how I was able to generate this number of leads inside of my Builderall. Okay, so let me quickly show you the leads now. When I come to my affiliate dashboard here, so you can see here I have 77 leads here. When I go to my leads, I have 77 leads. So you can see some of them are on test mode, some are on active mode. Okay, yeah. Then if you look at the dates, you can see this one is 17th of August. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a particular day. I had this other 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so this is my dashboard here. Okay, this is my name here, and this is my rank. Although it's not among the first 2,000, okay, but with time I know this is really going to turn into something very fantastic. Okay, I'm very hopeful. Even if I get 10% of my leads to convert to finally become active, that's about 8 active users. Okay, and most of my active users are premium templates, so it's really awesome for me, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys exactly on this video. So the strategy is, I've seen some small results. It's not really a big result, but I can share with you the strategy that I've used to generate these little results. Okay, I don't have to have 1,000 leads first of all before I can be able to share. Okay, if something is working for me, that means you can actually replicate the same thing and it will work for you. So that is the idea of sharing. That's why I'm sharing with you guys on my channel. So what basically I did was to run YouTube ads. Okay, so let me show you the ads that I'm running. So here is the ad that I was running on my ads here. Okay, you can see this is the ad here, Builderall affiliates. Okay, and then Builderall users, the two ads I ran. Actually paused this one, but this one is still active. So this is my budget. I was just spending like $10 per day. Okay, and I have like 18,000 impressions, 3,972 views, and this is my average cost, 3 cents, okay, per view. So you can see actually I've spent like $150 in running this ad. So for this particular ad alone, I spent $101. Okay, so I haven't really spent so much to generate those kind of leads, but actually $100 is not much for such kind of results. So I believe this is average. This is above average. Like I could say, this is above average for me to spend that amount to generate this number of leads inside of Builderall. Okay, so if you look at it on the long run, you find out that I'm really going to gain it by the time I have some of these leads here become active. Okay, my return on investment will be more than 100%, I believe. Okay, and the good thing about Builderall is that it's a recurring platform. It pays you recurring commission. So once you get the lead in your team, for over time it's going to keep paying you on a monthly basis, so long as the customer keep using the product. Most likely your customers will keep using the product because the platform is an awesome platform. Okay, there are so many things you can do with this platform. So, and the price is really a takeaway price compared to what you have out there in the marketplace. Okay, so most people that actually come inside of Builderall, when they see what is inside, they most likely keep their membership. So this is how I've been able to do this. Okay, now why I'm actually doing this video is not just to tell you, to show you my result. I actually want to share this secret, the exact video that I'm using to run, the exact landing page, everything that I'm using to produce this kind of result. I want to share with small group of people who are really interested to come on board with me. Okay, now what you just need to do is, on the description of this video there is a link to sign up for the Builderall affiliate program. Okay, now you can actually sign up for the premium plan, or you go for the marketer plan. Also, you can go for the $1 trial for 30 days. Okay, so whichever one that is more preferable for you. I know most guys would like to go for the $1 trial, but that's no problem. Just come and try it out, see what it is for 30 days. Okay, you can be able to keep using it if you want. Then I'll also be able to give you everything, all the landing pages, the funnels, the ads, the emails, and everything that I use to generate this kind of results. I would give it to you, and also mentor you personally. You know, I tried Builderall. I tried it 14 days trial, and I didn't really make out much from it because there was nothing that came out of my pocket. Okay, there was no commitment. So immediately I actually put out my wallet and paid for $1 trial. That's what I started with. So it changed my mindset. Okay, the whole of my mindset changed. So there's a big difference between just going for the free trial and then pulling out your wallet. Even if it's that $1 that you want to spend, just spend it and it will change your mindset. It makes you to be committed. It makes you to just want to get value for even that $1 that you spend, even if you don't want to pay huge amount of money. Okay, that's how this whole thing works. That's how the mentorship works and everything. So it's really something I want to give to you guys on my channel. Like, I'm opening up this to the first 30 people that would come in. So I don't want this to become very competitive or overly competitive. So like, I have just 30 super affiliates who are ready to hop inside and take this thing and run with it and see the same results, because I've seen results with this. So I'm sure you're also going to see results with this if you apply exactly what I've showed you. Okay, so and you also have my mentorship for like the whole 30 days that you're going to be inside of this platform. Okay, so basically that's what I wanted to show you guys, and I hope you're going to take up that offer. I see a lot of people trying to get into ClickBank, trying to create accounts, especially Nigerians who do not have or who do not know how to create ClickBank accounts, you know, trying to do all of that. But what I tell them is, what I tell people that I come across is that, why don't you just go for a platform that already accepts you, that has recurring commission and all that. Okay, other platforms that are free to join, instead of, at the end of the day, if you join ClickBank, your account may be banned, you may not be able to receive your payment, you may not be able to, you know, receive your payout and all that, and all the challenges of using VPN and all that. So why don't you just go for an awesome platform like this and promote it? And most of them see the reasons with me and then they come on board. Okay, so guys, I hope you're going to take up this and run with it. Let me know in the comment section if you found this valuable, if this is something that you want to do, and I'll reach out to you and we're going to crush this together. Okay, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.